Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So first of all, open up Roblox. Now once you're at Roblox, click on more right here. And in here, scroll down and look for settings. Click on it. And in here, go to privacy. This interface will show up. Now in here, scroll down. And in the communication window, click on it. And in here, click on off. And all of this will be turned to no one. Now in here, in other settings, do the same. Turn everything to no one. And after everything has been turned to no one, you will appear offline to everyone, including your friends. So that is how you can appear offline on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So first of all, open up Roblox. Now once you're at the home page, click on settings right here. Click on settings. Now in here, go to privacy. Now in here, you will have to turn each of this into no one. Go to communication, click on it and click on off. This whole section will be turned to no one. Now you have to do the same with this other settings section as well. Click on it, click on no one, click on it, click on no one. And after enabling these settings, you will appear offline. So that is how you can appear offline on Roblox.